Welcome back to WebNJ, where we learn all things design together. If you are new here, we are saying welcome at the top of our voice. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to see you again. So today we'll be talking about some Chrome extensions designers should check out. Some of them I've used before, some of them I've heard of but never used before, some of them I'm just hearing of. You know, whenever I hear something and not share with you guys, we're here to explore together, so let's dive right into it. Chrome extensions are those little add-ons that can add extra sauce to your workflow and make your design process smoother and easier than ever before. The first on our list is Colorilla. We know how difficult it can be sometimes during the edition process when you're trying to find the perfect color that will fit your designs. Or maybe you're working with an existing platform and try to get the perfect color they used in their designs. That's where Colorilla comes in. This particular Chrome extension allows you to pick colors from any web page at all. You can even create gradients with it, and it also allows you to analyze the entire color palette of an entire website. If you want to grab those website colors without stress, I would say Colorilla is definitely something you should check out. The next on our list is Loom. We know how important communication is in all design projects. You need to communicate properly with the stakeholders, the developers, your team members, the project managers, and so on. With this Chrome extension, you can easily record and share your screen to streamline and facilitate your communication processes. You can turn on your camera if you want, and you don't really have to download the videos before you share with your recipients. You can just copy the link and paste it to their DMs. The videos are easy to edit, and this extension basically takes communication to the next level. If you ask me, I would say this is something you should check out. The next on our list is Word Font. With the name, I'm sure we already know what it does. Typography is an important part of design, and with Word Font, identifying fonts on web pages is a piece of cake. All you need to do is this extension is to hover over a text on a web page and you get the font details immediately. And of course, this is something you should definitely check out. The last on our list is SVG Grabber. This particular one I've used a lot and it has really helped me in my designs. As the name implies, SVG and Grab. It lets you grab SVG assets on any website whatsoever. Trust me when I say this thing works like magic. To me, I feel like it's a little fraudulent because even if it's a paid website, this particular tool will grab the asset for you. I don't know where it's coming from, but you just grab it. It's been failing lately though. It doesn't really grab assets as much as it used to. Sometimes it gives me blank pages, but it works for my friend perfectly. So I don't know, maybe it's my SVG or it's on their end. So trust me, if you want to check something out, this is something you should give a look. So I think we can call it a day with these few Chrome extensions I've mentioned. If you want to know more, let me know in the comment section. And if you like what we've heard so far, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And as usual, thanks for sticking to the end of this video. See you next time. Bye.